how to use various Excel functions. So now let's dive into solving questions. Let's say maybe we're given the dates and we're required to find the day, weekday, month, or the year. Now first let's start by inserting a column. So to insert a column, just right click here, left click, and insert. Now let's number our date. Let's say maybe it's 1. Now you can autofill this by highlighting and extending. So let's say maybe we want to highlight this row, or this one, or this one, or this one for year, with different colors, each with different colors. So just highlight your row, then go to home, select color. Now let's highlight it with maybe this color. So weekdays, let's highlight it with maybe maybe this color. And month, let's highlight it with red. And year, let's highlight it with which one? Let's say maybe this one. So to find the day, just type in equal day. Now highlight your date and press enter. So to autofill this, just double click this when you see a small positive sign rather on your bottom right. Now that's how you can use day Excel functions. What about how to find weekdays? Just type in equal text, highlight your date, comma. Now we're going to put 4 letter D's inside the quotation marks, close bracket, enter. Now this is how you can use weekday functions. So if you want to autofill this, just on your bottom right corner, double click. What about the month? Just type in equal text, highlight your date. Now type in the first letter of this word month 4 times, quotation mark, close your bracket, enter. Now to autofill this, just double click your bottom right corner. So for year, just type in equal text, highlight your date, comma, quotation mark, just type in the first letter of the word month, which is 1, 4 times, quotation mark, close bracket, enter. So to autofill this, just double click. So that's how you can use year, text, or day function. Now let's say we want to find today's date. Just type in equal today and this bracket, enter. So what if you want to find today's date as well as the current time. Just type in equal now, enter. So it says it's 2024 September 19th 1756. So that's how you can find today's date or today's date as well as time.